Today's distribution networks are often the weak link in the supply of reliable power. Aging networks, extreme weather events, renewable energy sources, and new demands on energy consumption can impact their performance. These and other factors can put additional stress on the grid and worsen its reliability, which can even lead to outages. Digitalization in the electrical industry is opening the door to key information, giving more insights about our networks that can help to improve reliability. Actionable data from distribution networks allows operations personnel to identify issues, make informed decisions, and avoid costly equipment damage. Megger provides solutions that collect and analyze this data, so utilities can reduce power outages and identify weak spots in their grids, significantly decreasing risk and O&M. The monitoring and analysis of current, voltage, power factor, and phase imbalance data help utility customers detect and analyze momentary and sustained faults. These state-of-the-art sensors are able to detect faults that the substation protection systems are unable to detect and locate. Sensors are typically installed in sets of 3 on the distribution lines. Multiple sets of sensors are then placed across the distribution network, and these sensors are synchronized to share data between them. This configuration of sensors forms a comprehensive network that covers distribution grid and transmits data securely through the use of strict cybersecurity provisions. In most cases where sufficient cellular coverage exists, the sensors contain all the necessary hardware and software to ensure secure data transmissions without the need of additional communication infrastructure. Alternatively, in areas with limited cellular coverage, gateway and router devices can also be paired with the sensors. To significantly increase the distance that this valuable information can be communicated via mesh radio to the cellular network, all data, whether coming directly from the sensors or from gateways, is securely communicated to the cloud. Utilizing private APN and end-to-end encryption using TLS or SSL, users can access the data via a virtual private network, making it available whenever and wherever you need it. To access the secure data, it passes through the corporate firewall into the internal network and into the enterprise software server. The data can then be integrated with other utility automation systems for delivery to operations and incorporation into existing automation schemes like SCADA, DMS, ADMS, and OMS systems. As the grid data is compiled, it is analyzed and reviewed using advanced algorithms. You can get access into your grid insights from anywhere and at any time. This unleashes the power of data at our fingertips, allowing for fast location and isolation of faults and reduction of outage times, also known as SAIDI and SAIFI, as well as being able to identify, locate, and target weak spots within the grid for proactive management and predictive maintenance. This comprehensive network of hardware and software solutions from Megger delivers distribution grid monitoring, data collection, secure data transmission, and comprehensive insights and analysis that provide key benefits, including faster restoration time, the ability to predict outages resulting in SAIDI and SAIFI reductions, and safer and more efficient operations. Whatever internal or external challenges your business and network topologies bring, Megger's Grid Analytics solutions provide extensive grid visibility and the actionable insights needed for stable power delivery. Megger's Grid Analytics solutions, safe and secure insights for optimized grid performance, making the hidden visible.